Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial of C programming, and we are actually studying string library function. In this video we are going to study strlwr and strupr function. So strlwr convert your string to lowercase, whereas strupr converts your string to uppercase. Now, important thing about these two functions is that both these functions returns the pointer to the converted string. Now, what is the meaning of this? Okay, actually I already explained this concept in the video of strrev function, where we studied how the string get reversed. So if you are not familiar with that part, please watch that video. Still, I'm going to explain this part. See what happens whenever we give call to the one of this function, that is strlwr or strupr. What happens? Your string get converted to lowercase or uppercase. So consider the example of strlwr. Okay, so assume that I have a string s1. I initialize it with book. Okay, actually you can accept this content from the user also, but for the better understanding I am initializing this string. And now assume that I want to convert this string to lowercase. So definitely what will I use? I'll use strlwr function, and to that function I'll pass my string. Now as I told here, this function returns the pointer to the converted string. Now what is the meaning of this? Actually, when this function is called, this converted string is placed in one memory location. Okay, say book, it get converted in lowercase. Okay, and definitely it will have one memory location, right? Say assume that that memory location is something 2000, and similarly 2001, and so on. Okay, now what this function does, this function will return the pointer to this string, meaning it will return the pointer to the base address of your converted string. So this is your converted string, right? See, initially my string is book, where B is capital. After converting, everything is in lowercase, and this function will return this base address, which is nothing but a pointer to the converted string. Okay, see, we cannot return the entire string. Why? Because function can return a single value. Okay, and string is a collection of more than one value. So what is returned? The base address of a string is returned. Okay, and since it is returning the address, I have to collect it in a pointer variable. Now this address is of type character data. So definitely to store the address of a character data, I need one character pointer, right? We already studied this part in a pointer basic. Okay, now I'll collect it in variable p. Okay, now if I say puts p, what happened? See, this puts function is specially designed for string. Okay, when I say puts p, it goes to this memory location and start printing the character till it get null. Okay, see, suppose you want to print this s1 string, what you will say? You will say puts s1, right? You will say puts s1. So here also you are specifying what? You are specifying the array name, which is nothing but a base address of array. Here also we are specifying the base address of your string. So definitely this part is going to work. Similarly, you can use strupr function also. Just it does your string, just it converts your string into uppercase. Otherwise you are going to use it in the same way, exactly in the same way as we use strlwr. So what it does, it will convert a string into a uppercase and returns the pointer to the base address of a converted string, and you have to collect it in a pointer variable, and that pointer should be of type character. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any doubts, definitely you can write it into the comment section. Thank you.